Hello my friends, now our account ready, so that's mean we can upload image and upload post. Okay, so now I already create a post, so this is that post. I already create two videos about Instagram post sizes and how to find viral photos, viral post on Instagram. So just watch those videos. I will put link on description. So this is my post, so let's post it on our Instagram account. So I run this Instagram account on my desktop. So to upload photos you have to right click and go to inspect. After that you have to click this little toggle icon. So when I click it, I just separate this window. When I click it, it will show as a mobile phone. So after that I can change my mobile phone and I can increase the size of mobile phone. So now I have to refresh this page. When I refresh this page, I get a little plus button and heart button, also search button. So I click on this plus button. After that I click my post or image. So my image is fitted because I create this image according to Instagram post standard sizes. So I already create video for that. I will put link on description. So after that I click on next. Then in this place we can add tags and other details. So this is small information about this image. So I have little bit code. So in this code I will explain this code. So let me resize this. Okay, so in this code in first line I write follow us and add image emoji. After that I add @ and my account username. So my account username is spiritual.thoughts.dash777. So I add it here. So if someone want to follow us, or if someone click on this, this will convert to link. So someone click on here, he will redirect to our landing page. Then he can follow our page. After that I also add the part called links, comment and share. After that I add little bit emoji. So then we can add tags to rest part. So I copy this whole part and paste on here. So it will look like this. After that I need to, let me go back. When things change inside you, yeah, I add this part. And also I need to add text like when things change inside you. So I just add that part. After that let me pick this. After that I need to add tags. So when I add tags, those tags help to boost our post. So I need to find tags. For find tags you can go to other, you can search. Also I create video about that. No, I didn't create a video about that. By the way, go to search and search like spiritual. When you search like that, you will get this kind of hashtag. So go to this kind of hashtag. So if you target travel, just search like travel, then you will see hashtag according to your keyword. So currently this one have 1k engagement 1k heart. So I go inside that and I can copy this whole tag list, or also I can select 3 or 3 4 or something like that, and yeah, I can get tags like I can find best tag on here. So I just copy this part and paste on here, but I will not add those all tags. I only add some best tag. So best tag mean if you let me copy this part. Okay, I copy it, and if you search that tag here, you will show the post which assigned to that tag. So there has 56k post assigned to that tag. That means this tag is better. So at this find this kind of tags. So currently I have tags, just add some tags like between 20 to 30. So for now I will put it like this, and I click on share. If this word count is too long, your text will not be added to image. I hope there will not have any issues like that. Yeah, okay, we post our first image. When I click on more, oh no, yeah, when I click on more, I see follow us and like, comment and share. After that I see my tags. So if I click on here, I will redirect to my page. So that is how I create my post. So I plan to create those kind of post like 3-5 posts per day. So in next week I will update you what happened to my account. Okay, so this is the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I am not professional about this, so I am new to this. So yeah, I will see you in next one. Bye bye. Make sure to comment, subscribe and like.